Hello everyone, welcome to another coin video. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the best collections to own, especially as a beginner. And if you are a beginner, I would definitely recommend you start collecting these. And what I am talking about is half dollars. So you may be like, half dollars? That's not pennies or nickels, that's not the cheapest, that's 50 cents a coin. And yes, it is 50 cents a coin. This is probably on the farthest side of what I would recommend beginners to collect. At the beginning, at the very beginning, I would recommend like pennies and things like that. But after you do half dollars, you're kind of growing out of what I would call the awkward phase of coin collecting, which is pretty much just stuff that you could easily find in pocket change. Because some of these things you can find in pocket change, like you can go to the bank and get a ton of half dollars, but some of this is like silver, and some of it's really hard to find, and some of it's like a 87p that they didn't actually release for circulation, but you somehow have it in circulate. Like, it's really weird sometimes, but I will say this is the most expensive that I have gotten with beginner coin collection tip videos that I've done. And this comes in, if it was all the way done, how much it'd be worth face value. So I'm not talking about if you purchase any of the coins, but face value, you could find all of these coins potentially in circulation. And that comes in at $50. So $50 to complete this whole entire collection. And the only annoying thing really about this is that after 2002, so 2003 to present, in order to get the newer coins, you have to actually order them from the mint. So you have to buy them, and sometimes they're 2 to 3 times their actual worth. But as you can see, I have like I have both 2003s, and it may have been after 2001. If you guys don't have this book, I definitely recommend getting it. I will link to it in the description below, as well as the other supplies that I use for my half dollars and other coins as well. If I can find Kennedy. What? No, a little more. Here we go. So, yeah, they did start in 2002. That's what the D means. It says not issued for circulation. So they started in 2002. But as you can see, and again, links below. As you can see, though, I do have both 2002, a 2003, a 2005, 2009, a 12, actually both 12s, a 13, 14, and both 15s. And I did not buy those from the mint. I found those in circulation. So it is possible. It's normally rare to find those, but it is possible to find those in circulation at face value. Most of these are just really easy to find. You'll find a lot of 70s, a lot of 80s while you roll hunt, and these you do have to roll hunt. You can't really find these in pocket change much. When I was considering pocket change, I mean roll hunting pocket change, I guess you could call it. But yeah, I pretty much have all of them. You're going to have a little bit of trouble with the 87s unless you purchase those, but you can find them because I found one so far from Philadelphia. And with silver, you may also have a hard time finding silver half dollars, because I've had a decently hard time finding silver half dollars. Like, I have the 1967, 1968D, and I know I bought this one, and I believe I may have bought this one as well. Where did I get this one? I know I bought this one for sure, and I know I didn't find this. Maybe I did buy it. I think I bought both of these, but I did find this one while roll hunting. So it's not impossible to find coins, like silver coins, while roll hunting. People actually make tons of money off it by selling the coins on eBay and to coin shops and to precious metal collectors and people who want to buy that type of stuff. So, which I am one of those people. So yeah, this is probably the farthest you can go with what I would call beginner coin collecting. Anything after this, meaning in price range. So once you start collecting like dollar coins, like presidential dollars, Native American, Sacagawea, Susan B. Anthony's, Eisenhower's, that's what I would start calling intermediate coin collecting. But this is the basics, the beginner stuff, the stuff that really doesn't take a ton of money, because $50, some coins cost $50. So this is like a whole entire part of a collection, whole entire design collection for $50. Face value, not actually how much it's worth, but face value. Whitman does have these books for half dollars that I'll be linking to below, and I actually have a whole entire video about those called Best Supplies for Beginner Coin Collectors that I will be listing down below in the description with the supplies and everything. And also, if you are interested in looking at what other half dollars that I do have, it's going to be a little outdated. I think the only difference will be this coin right here, but I do have a video called What's in My Coin Collection 2020 and half dollars edition, and I'll go ahead and link to the whole entire playlist of that series in the description below, and you can go ahead and just check that out. If you only want to watch the half dollars one, that's okay. If you want to watch the typeset one, that's, I think, probably the most popular, maybe not the most views, but I feel like it's what people mostly enjoy. But yeah, definitely go check that out. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Comment down below on if you collect half dollars or what your favorite type of coin or design is to collect. Go ahead and subscribe if you did enjoy this video, and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post more videos like this one. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day, and as always, keep on collecting.